Listen, I'm a picky eater and I get tired of the same food each and every day. I am tired of rice, I'm tired of chicken. So I decided to try something different, something out of my comfort zone. So I decided to try this ITAL restaurant. So it is Veggie Campus and it is located at 82 Lady Musgrave Road, right behind the Kaya Herb House. So if you're tired of the rice and peas and the dumpling and the chicken and all of that, and you want to try like a ITAL meal or so, you can try Veggie Campus. Them food, it was a 10 out of 10 for me. I tried the vegan carrot cake and their spirulina punch. It was my first time actually trying the spirulina punch and it was good. I wanted this meal but they didn't have it. So that is stir fried vegetables with sweet potato fries and cauliflower wings. That's what I wanted because I saw it on their Instagram page and I was like, I think I want to try that. But they didn't have the stir fried vegetable. So I just told the chef to fix me something. I didn't know what I was expecting, but I was totally up for it because I wanted to try something different. This is what I got. And guys, why would you never tell me about vegan meal? So this is what I got. I got some black bean circles and I also got some cauliflower wings and lentil stew and also some quinoa. I also tried the merengue pineapple juice, guys, and let me tell you, it's my first time actually trying them food here, and to my surprise, it was really good. The food was good. For some reason, I don't know why the cauliflower chicken tastes like the cauliflower wings taste like chicken. I don't know, but that crunch to it and the flavors, I don't know why they use flavor the cauliflower, but it tastes like chicken. So it was good. I enjoyed this meal. I enjoyed the meal. I love the idea that I'm not eating rice and peas and chicken and dumpling and all of them something. I just wanted to try something out of my comfort zone and this food did not miss. I absolutely love it. Yesterday, merengue pineapple juice, it was so refreshing. My inside felt so good, so good, guys. So if you want to step out of your comfort zone and try something different, you can definitely visit Veggie Campus. They have a lot of different vegan meals. I'm definitely going back to try one of their ITAL burgers, and I definitely had to grab 2 more spirulina punch for the road.